Dyed flowers. Hi parents. The 2 learning objectives I want you to focus on for this lesson. 1, I'm introducing a new vocabulary word. It's called xylem. I'll explain it in the video for the kids, but we've been talking about plant parts pretty much this whole time that we've been out for distance learning. And so this is a part of the plant that's you can't usually see. So it's a new idea, and then if that word xylem might not be making too much sense, the concept of what it does, that it draws the water and the nutrients from the roots up into the plant, that it's like the plant's veins, that's a really good idea just to understand the concept even if we're not getting the word. The second learning objective is choosing, choice making for colors. So there's lots of fun color stuff. In this experiment, you need food coloring, or you have watercolor you could use. So as much as possible that the child chooses their own, that your child chooses their own color for what they want to do and experiments a little bit, gets creative. There's no way to mess it up. It should just be fun. All right. Hi students. We're gonna do a science project on flowers today. So you're going to need flowers. White flowers would be best for this experiment. I only have sunflowers, so I'm gonna see if it works with these. They should be cut, so they should be in a vase, so not flowers that are still in the dirt. And then you're going to need food coloring or colored water. I'm using the leftover water xylophone cups of water. So maybe you could do the same if you've kept yours. I kept mine for a while because the colors were so pretty. All right, go get your flowers. Go get your cup of colored water. You can get the color using food coloring. If you don't have food coloring, you should all have watercolor kits. Just break off a little chunk of one of the colors that you like and mix it with water. Here we go. Okay, so to understand what's going on in this science project, we're going to talk about the parts of a plant again. We've talked about the flower, the stem, the leaves, and the roots. The part that we're going to be thinking the most about right now is the stem. Inside the stem is something called xylem. Xylem is a tissue in the plants. The xylem helps the water go up into the plant and not come back down. It carries up the water and the nutrients from the roots. Xylem is kind of like your veins that move the blood through your body. It's the plant's version of it. So the xylem, like the veins that are in the plant stem, are going to move up this colored water. I'm putting in blue here. It's going to move it up into the flower all the way up to the petals, where hopefully, if this works well, the petals will change color from yellow to either blue or green. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the color that I want to put inside the vase, the color of water. Remember that the flower's going to soak up, the plant's going to soak up that color, and hopefully we will see it in the petals. So when I'm choosing my color, I'm thinking about what kind of color I want my flower to look like, maybe a color I like, or a color that might look pretty or interesting or weird. My flowers are yellow, hopefully yours is white, so if I'm thinking about what color I want to turn these petals, I wouldn't choose yellow, because I wouldn't be able to tell if the experiment worked. I think it would be really cool if this yellow sunflower turned blue or green. Or we can see if I put blue into the water, would the leaves turn green? Because the leaves are yellow, or the petals are yellow, and the water is blue, and we know yellow and blue make green. So this is the exciting part. I like getting to choose. Good luck, sunflower.